Here's an easy way on Netflix to go directly to some uh, deep subcategories that you may have never or didn't even know that they were there before. But right here is a list of the subcategories and their associated codes, and I will put this in the YouTube description for reference so you can just copy and paste these. But basically what you do when you're logged into Netflix, just go to your browse and just pick any category, it doesn't matter. And what you're going to do is replace up here in the URL that code with your choice right here. So if I wanted crime documentaries, I just copy that, paste and replace, and here we are, crime documentaries. Thanks and have fun.